All my life I wanted to be a music journalist, but I was always too scared to take the plunge. I never felt like I fit the mold, and honestly, I had no idea how I would do this. So instead I burnt myself out working in jobs I tolerated and walked away from the music scene. But when the pandemic hit and I moved back to my hometown, I knew things had to change. I fell back in love with the Australian metalcore scene and got back in contact with the Japanese scene, and as I discovered band after band, I realised just how insane and slept on the scenes in the Asia Pacific are. Well, since then I got a journalism degree and I've devoted my life to travelling around the region and having insane experiences, all in the search of breakdowns. I've made some amazing connections and honestly, I couldn't even believe I am where I am. But soon I'll be moving to Thailand, and you know what? The adventure just feels like it is just beginning. So if you want to come along for the ride as I become a music journalist, further my skills and have some more fun, then join in, follow along. See you in the pit, I guess.